Okay, not a difficult job, obviously. Simple box building, albeit rectangular box building, but box building nonetheless, which is the essence of all woodworking. And I use simple butt joints because I knew I was going to be covering up the corners with these corner braces, so it didn't make much sense to do any type of intricate joinery, but you could use dovetails if you want to show off the joinery. You could use dados if you want to bring the ends in a little bit and create a reveal. You could also use miters, which are popular for a box of this size. You could use dowel joinery, whatever trips your trigger. I decided to use cedar because I wanted a little bit of contrast between the box and the supports, but also it's a good softwood, an excellent outdoor wood that doesn't rot, and it will gray up over time, which is what I wanted. So anyway, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.